now pigs can get here, I guess. Your ticket. Sure. I get the hazard. Alright, and get the hard tourist. I'm test. Yeah, no tour. You would try the test. In the head. Yeah. Not close. Right. Pigs can get here. Alright. 2 minutes later. Wait, pigs can get here. I think it's just a level. No, it's just the final level. Yeah, I guess. Yes. And now X is protected. And I like that. Me want them. Oh. There is a darkness. Wait. Is little Tara their host? Oh, he's sad. He got a gem. Hey, can you see this? Redbird's the whole one? It is actually sleeping. Wake up! That's right. Hey, can you look me? I think he's not look. Is because of darkness. Oh, the that thing is there. Hey, can you hear me? Oh, I can't. Wait till one day. Hey, little birdie. This way called us. You wouldn't? Yes? Let's get it. I have something for you. If there something is up, come with me. Yeah, come with us. Wait till on Pingy Island. Oh, what is the third sock? And then Krabby Map. Oh, that's what. Nice. Yes, my queen. Return us. I will. I picked it. Yeah, the stuff. Not this. Yeah, Gil. How does your turn? Yes. And then I will the me queen and bread. And there's was turn. King Pig, look what we found. Wait, what? Okay, we found here. Oh, little birdie. Oh, that's cool one. Hey, I'm not wrong. I can't let not hold on my trust. I am the queen, and I am the king. What you want? Wait, you can be a wonder. You can be my I then, and he your mother. I kill. How do you do the mother? No. Okay, I am your mother. What should I kill one? But does not have a crown. Oh, I got the idea. Dim. Oh, that's just so. Brave of birdie, brave of birdie, brave of birdie, brave of the. Alright, this is a birdie. You have to go to ball. Okay. I call you. Ready. I'll call you ready. Wait, your name is not ready? Oh, I can't talk. Here's your cat. Here's your cat. Not take it. Michael Loki. Wait, he's not remember. Come on, you don't do. You baby king. And the baby king. Okay. Alright. Or not. Okay. Why the turtles? Wait. Okay. Not even family. You have a family. But we are doing here is family here. Oh, look it. 2. You have a mother. You have a dad. That's just so true to hold it. Yeah. That's it. The hard one. Okay, talk to the boy was it till he. He. Oh, look it! You did it. He. He. Oh, that's it. Horridor. He. Alritus. He. And November host the queen. Hey! And all the family? Hey! The king family? Hey! Huh? Wait, what is it? Huh? Hey! Stop! Okay, that's okay. Oh, this. Wait, what? Oh, that's. Listen. I am Devil Pig. I made a rebel first. You need to be a king, bad king of your be asked. You can talk about your family, not the birds, because you are almost there. You go about your family, get almost give up your another family after it overwhelms you other over ever again. And the overwhelms are over to go. I'm sorry, you get almost king. But why it didn't? I get my wrong one. Yes. Yes. And now you will be my Delosters of imported birds to be another bad guy. What's happened? What's up? What? The. Oh. Hey! 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 And yes. And now, here the dots. And now I'm going to go to these. I'm not about to go loud. I'm going to show how about outburst. 1 year later. Okay, I think we don't wait a year because X is not launching. I think that would be 2 years or 3 years or 4 years or 5 years or 6 years or 7 years or 8 years or 10 years. The 10 years are 30 because it's gonna be hour. I think I don't know. On the house here. Where's my child? I think so. I'm loyal to her singers. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna tell the story, the next. Oh, tell me. Okay. Alright. Right. Once upon a oh, I know. Once upon a time, it's Poppy playtime. Wait, Poppy playtime? This is evil, not the mommy likes. Huh, no, don't worry. Isn't there oral stories, mini oral story? It's this. It's this. The altar player is going to an altar. He is listening to find the helper. Poppy playtime. He is to say the playtime company all starts on. And the under all you say. Sauce. Somehow you miss out. 3 years, just 5 million years above the off seasons. Oh, that was scary. Yes, that was scary. Really little scared. Oh yeah. And one other tour in the Potter has in the Mark Bronx. Yes. And he is about her. It's the playtime company. It's actually you already stated. But in terrible. A door, nothing is closed. And alright, the door is nothing is closed. And then he is stuck in forever. But it's not gonna happen. He continues to flow the Hunter Maliga's playtime company. And then our tourist told him, Iabella Porter, the grab pack is falling. And he is a bold tourist. Is a other like a scare. And then a crazy, mazy, crazy, Karen, Zazy rules. Because of our tour be outly turned is a cat our daughter. Oh, on their shirt. Have our birds and I'm on the poster. Okay, I gotta get fast. Alright. And after a good player, that's what to see it. This is this movie story. No, it's not. It's not. It's a mini story. And our turn is terrible. And he is getting all your squad lesson all terrible one. The Huggy Wuggy. He is about to ring the toward them. And they record it. And he is scared of turbo. But Huggy Wuggy is chasing him. And he is run for myself for his life all the time before Huggy Wuggy scared him. And then it over the door. He is a more tempered holy friend. I do nothing. He is a torture only he said they get scared. It's a line. Help. And then the players came down. And then he is chopped on and this and killing the Huggy Wuggy forever. And then one Satar is about to. And this is the last of the harvest of the story. And the operators player open the case and the lights are off on, and then it's off now. And Poppy say, "You open my case," and I did. The end. Whoa! Oh, that was a fast story. Alright, this. What? Oh! Get rid of this up. What the heck is that? Yeah, come on. And we got the eggs. My queen, my king pig, and the baby. Wait, what's the baby? There we go. Yes. Wait, you can? Oh, look at the king pig. And then I had another 2 eggs. You eat. Haha. No, kill me. Go out of here. Let me see up the tree. And then I have something to return. A new baby king of the world on the turret ever. Like a turret. Store the turrets. Like this. Wait. Is that we son? That was it. Surely they're the magic. Wait, what? No. You said the birds. Wait, is now talk? No, my turn magic. Oh, that. You put a straightening hat on here. Wait, is talk now? Yes, talk. But we are not friends. And they're friends. No. I will have to destroy you. Because easy help on me. And you ever help ever again. You are the wrong as me. On the border turret. You rule me. On the turret. I scream and you couldn't host the retard. And now I am the king in this city. And then you lost. Wait, no, we not lost. We are a weird son. No, not yes. He learned. Get hell on your sword. You will never get Sema. He down. I take it towards her. I am here for you. Rain, is it you are right? I better turn on. And I get odds. Wait, no. And then it's time to eat the eggs. Yeah. No. Oh no! Pigs, go right. Hey, wait. Oh no! Pigs are not rust. Back. And then you are the stock. Oh shoot! I think my ear. I think the ball. Oh no! Why? I am gonna put a little hole. Ross. Oh no! My ear! My ear is gone, and then I lost them. I now have a 1 year. Sorry, little word. You want to? Hey. Yes. Now let's get it. All right. Okay, get started. And there. All right. Let's start. Let's go back. Wait. Won't be? Son. Don't honey do this. I'm about to tell you. Alright, guys. I think it has about easy tiny control bonds. You and the Howard is you. Yes. I'm a Howard to I'm on website anyway. And then here's the turbo one. Incanest. Alright. Come on. Right. Ew, hard touch. Doing magic. And now he's back to normal. Now, skip. Tarts. Yeah. Now let's follow them back. Now let's go. No, I can't believe we lost the baby queen. King. Oh. Wait, what? I have the plan. I have the super evil plan. Wait, what? What is it? We get the cinema plan. Cinema plan? Yes. Cinema is the movie avatar. But what it gets good. But first. Okay. I want to pick news. The rise of the Minions 2 Rise of Gru is out now. And on their turn, you will want to tell somebody around. Here, ready to get started. Towards that. Hey, oh! What am I saying? Is that what? Is the Minions 2 Rise of Gru is out now. And you will enjoy on cinema. It's gonna all the new. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this trailer.
Yes, good night.
See?
Good night. There are lots of other villains in the world, but I am going to be
Like this green girl as well. It sounds like poop. So that's this trailer. And you join with my plan of cinema. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And don't remember, the origin of the Minions 2 Origin of Gru is out now. And do yours enjoy. And now, goodbye.